Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of connecting and configuring a heating valve using the PIERRE display. Let's get started. First, we begin by wiring the heating valve to the PIERRE display. We connect it to L2, which is the second relay output, followed by the neutral connection. Once secured, we arrange the wiring neatly for better visibility. Now we restore power to the system and verify the status indicators. The power supply is active, the PIERRE controller is functioning, and the PIERRE display powers up successfully. Next, we open the PIERRE application. Since we want to integrate a heating valve while using PIERRE's built-in sensors, we first need to display the temperature sensor on the dashboard. To do this, we navigate to the menu, then select Settings, followed by Dashboards. We scroll down to select our dashboard, Academy. Then tap Add New I/O. Here we can see multiple built-in sensors available within the PIERRE display, including a brightness sensor, humidity sensor, and temperature sensor. Since we are focusing on temperature control, we select the temperature sensor, save the settings, and confirm. Now, as seen on the dashboard, PIERRE's sensors are all displayed. Next, we proceed with adding the heating valve to the system. We navigate to the display settings and select the PIERRE unit. Just as we previously added a lamp control, this time we scroll down and select Relays. We choose Add Output, then select Passive Heating/Cooling. We name this Kitchen, ensuring consistency across our setup. The output is added to the Academy dashboard. Relay 1 is already assigned to the lamp. We configure the heating valve on Relay 2. This next step is crucial. We must assign a temperature sensor to regulate the heating valve. We select the PIERRE display's built-in temperature sensor, ensuring the system receives accurate readings. After selecting the sensor, we save the settings and confirm the changes. The setup is now complete. The kitchen heating/cooling module is now visible on the dashboard. The heating system can now be adjusted both through the display and the mobile application. To test functionality, we apply heat near the sensor, causing the temperature reading to rise. As expected, the heating valve activates and the vent opens automatically, confirming that the system is working correctly. This setup successfully integrates a heating valve into the PIERRE display. Thanks for watching PIERRE Academy. See you in the next tutorial.